that in the fridge. Okay, I'm Nick, and my friend Nader's coming, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna we're gonna make a ketchup bomb. We put some baking soda in a bottle and some ketchup. Shake it up, and throw it on the ground really hard, and it explodes. We gotta do it for like 10 minutes. I'm just kidding.
Dude, it's gonna like explode in your ear.
No, it's not.
Let me see the bottom.
What is that?
Oh my gosh. Let me see the bottom.
It's about to come out. Alright. Yo, you throw it. You're stronger. Just chuck it at the ground real quick. Up.
Bullseye.
Oh my god. Yo, dude, look at the line. Ketchup and a baking soda. Oh my god.
Did you see how high it went?
Yeah.
It went like, oh, it was like, it hit it's on the ceiling. Look at this shit.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Dude, look. Dude, my grandma's gonna find out. Oh my. Yo, we gotta go get towels. Let's go. Yo.
Dude, we should have got sunny, man.
Yeah, I know. Dude.